Hey friends, it's MJ, your pantry bestie and professional dinner prep escape artist. Today we're doing a little breakfast science experiment, muffin edition. I'm making 12 blueberry muffins using my loaded potato recipe that uses only shelf-stable ingredients. Let's see if they can last 12 whole days. So here's the question. If I bake muffins on Sunday, can I actually eat them all week without them turning into a green fuzzy science experiment? Or hard little hockey pucks that I can throw at my kids? I mean, I wouldn't throw them at my kids, but you know what I mean. So I made a big batch of 12 muffins and stuck them all in individual baggies, one for each day. Every morning this week, I'm checking one muffin. Does it still taste good? Is it soft? Any mold? Or is it ready for the trash? Because let's be honest, we all want grab and go breakfast, but not grab and gag breakfast. So let's go. Day 1, soft, fresh, perfect. 2, delicious. 3, still delicious. 4, still delicious. 5, slightly drier but still delicious. 6, yummy. 7, oddly still yummy. 8, a little drier but still breakfast worthy. 9, good. Day 10, still good. 11, still decent. And by day 12, slightly dried out but still delicious. So what's the verdict? If you want a full week of ready to go muffins, make my muffin recipe using powdered eggs instead of fresh store-bought eggs, and seal them in individual bags, and you can have almost 2 weeks of breakfast ready to go. Loadedpotato.org isn't just dinner hacks, it's breakfast sanity too. So follow me for more fun food experiments that save your time, money, and brain cells, because life's too short to wrestle with stale muffins. Don't look for 'em.